Today, on November 12, 2025, we are witnessing a revolution in medicine. This change is not happening in an operating room or a laboratory. It is happening in the digital world. Healthcare is rapidly transforming, and the driving force behind this incredible shift is data. For centuries, doctors have relied on their experience, patient history, and test results. But now, we are entering an era where vast amounts of health information can be analyzed in moments. This information comes from everywhere: electronic health records, wearable fitness trackers, genetic sequencing, and even medical imaging. The sheer volume of this data is immense, and its potential to improve patient lives is even greater. This is where technology steps in to make sense of it all. The importance of data in modern medicine cannot be overstated. Think about it. Every patient visit generates new information. Every clinical trial produces mountains of results. Every smartwatch tracks vital signs second by second. In the past, much of this valuable information was siloed, difficult to access, and nearly impossible to compare on a large scale. Today, we have the power to bring it all together. By harnessing this data, we can uncover hidden patterns in diseases, predict outbreaks before they spread, and create personalized treatment plans that are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. This is the promise of data-driven healthcare, a future where medicine is more predictive, more personalized, and more effective for everyone. This transformation is creating a new frontier in healthcare. It's a field where technology and medicine merge to solve some of our biggest health challenges. The ability to collect, process, and understand health data is becoming as crucial as a surgeon's scalpel or a physician's stethoscope. We are moving from a one-size-fits-all approach to a system that understands the nuances of each patient. This shift requires a new kind of expert, someone who can build the digital infrastructure needed to handle this explosion of information. The potential to improve diagnostics, streamline hospital operations, and accelerate medical research is enormous. But it all starts with managing the data correctly and securely. The journey into this new age of medicine is exciting and full of possibilities. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of what we can achieve. Imagine a world where your doctor is alerted to a potential heart condition weeks before you ever feel a symptom, all thanks to data from your watch. Picture a system that helps researchers find the perfect candidates for a new cancer drug trial in minutes instead of months. This is not science fiction. This is the reality being built today by data engineers and AI specialists. The foundation of this future is being laid right now, making healthcare more intelligent, responsive, and ultimately more human-centric than ever before. So, what exactly is data engineering? In simple terms, think of data engineers as the architects and builders of the digital world. They design and construct the systems that collect, store, and process massive amounts of information. In healthcare, their job is incredibly important. They build the pipelines that allow data to flow smoothly and securely from different sources, like a hospital's patient record system, a pharmacy's database, or a medical research lab, to the data scientists and AI models that need to analyze it. Without this foundational work, all the valuable health data we collect would be like a library with no shelves and no catalog, a chaotic mess of unusable information. The work of a data engineer is essential for making big data useful. They ensure that the information is clean, reliable, and available when needed. This involves complex tasks like creating robust databases that can handle petabytes of information and building automated processes that transform raw data into a structured, analyzable format. For example, a data engineer might build a system that takes in thousands of daily patient updates from a network of hospitals, standardizes the information, and loads it into a central warehouse where it can be used for analysis. This digital backbone is what allows healthcare organizations to make informed, data-driven decisions that can save lives and improve patient care. Companies like Viridia AI are at the forefront of building these critical healthcare systems. They specialize in creating the robust infrastructure needed to support advanced medical applications. Using a suite of powerful tools, their data engineers construct secure platforms that can manage sensitive patient information while complying with strict privacy regulations like HIPAA. This allows doctors and researchers to access the data they need without compromising patient confidentiality. The systems they build are the unseen engines powering the next generation of medical breakthroughs, from AI-powered diagnostic tools to large-scale population health studies that identify public health trends and risk factors across entire communities. One key technology that supports this work is Amazon Simple Notification Service, or Amazon SNS. This tool is vital for creating responsive, event-driven data systems. For instance, when a new set of lab results is added to a patient's electronic health record, a data engineering pipeline can use Amazon SNS to instantly send an alert. This alert can trigger another process, such as an AI model that analyzes the results for anomalies or a notification sent directly to the attending physician's dashboard. This real-time capability is crucial in healthcare, where a delay of even a few hours can have significant consequences. It ensures that critical information gets to the right people and systems at the right time. Once data engineers have built the pipelines, artificial intelligence can work its magic. AI and data engineering work together as a powerful team. The data engineers provide the clean, organized, high-quality fuel, the data, and the AI models act as the sophisticated engines that turn that fuel into insights and actions. In healthcare, this partnership is unlocking incredible new capabilities. AI algorithms can sift through millions of medical images, like X-rays or MRIs, to detect signs of disease that might be missed by the human eye. They can analyze a patient's genetic data and medical history to predict their risk of developing certain conditions, allowing for early and preventive intervention. This collaboration is making healthcare smarter and more efficient. For example, AI-powered systems can help hospitals manage their resources more effectively. By analyzing data on patient admissions, staff schedules, and equipment availability, AI can predict peak times and help administrators allocate staff and beds accordingly. This reduces wait times for patients and prevents staff burnout. In the world of drug discovery, AI can analyze vast databases of molecular compounds to identify promising candidates for new medicines, dramatically speeding up a process that used to take decades and cost billions of dollars. This synergy between data and intelligence is transforming every aspect of the patient journey. Viridia AI is a prime example of a company putting these principles into practice. They develop AI applications that sit on top of the data infrastructure they build. One such application might be a predictive model that helps oncologists choose the most effective chemotherapy regimen for a cancer patient based on the tumor's genetic profile and the outcomes of similar patients. Another could be a real-time monitoring system for ICU patients that uses AI to analyze vital signs and alert nurses to early signs of sepsis. These tools do not replace doctors. They augment their abilities, acting as a tireless assistant that provides deep, data-driven insights to support their clinical decisions and expertise. The impact of this technology is profound. It helps reduce diagnostic errors, personalize treatments, and make healthcare more accessible. Consider the challenge of analyzing genomic data. A single human genome contains billions of data points. It is impossible for a person to manually analyze this information to find disease-causing mutations. But an AI model, powered by a strong data engineering foundation, can do it in minutes. This is how AI and data engineering are working hand in hand to push the boundaries of what is possible in medicine. They are helping us move closer to a future where every patient receives the best possible care, tailored specifically to them. The rapid integration of data and AI into healthcare has created an unprecedented demand for skilled professionals. There is a growing need for people who can build and manage these complex systems. This is where educational platforms like Skillify AI are playing a vital role. Skillify AI focuses on providing practical, hands-on training in the exact technologies that are powering this revolution. Their courses are designed to equip aspiring data engineers and AI specialists with the skills needed to succeed in the health tech industry. They teach everything from foundational data engineering principles to advanced machine learning techniques using real-world healthcare scenarios and datasets. The skills taught by Skillify.ai are in high demand because they directly address the needs of companies like Viridia AI and a growing number of hospitals and research institutions. Employers are looking for professionals who not only understand the theory, but can also build, deploy, and maintain these data systems. This includes expertise in cloud platforms like AWS, proficiency with data processing tools, and knowledge of how to build secure and compliant data pipelines. A career in healthcare data engineering is not just about coding. It's about solving meaningful problems that have a direct impact on people's health and well-being, making it an incredibly rewarding path. The career opportunities in this field are expanding every day. Job titles like healthcare data engineer, clinical data scientist, and AI in medicine specialist are becoming increasingly common. These roles offer exciting challenges, competitive salaries, and the chance to be part of a field that is making a real difference in the world. Whether you are a recent graduate or a professional looking to transition into a more impactful career, the health tech sector offers a wealth of opportunities. The demand for these skills far outpaces the current supply, meaning that those with the right training are in a strong position to build a successful and fulfilling career. Now is the time to get involved. The convergence of healthcare and technology is one of the most exciting developments of our time, and you can be a part of it. I encourage you to explore this dynamic field. Learn more about data engineering and artificial intelligence. Consider enrolling in a program like those offered by Skillify AI to gain the practical skills that are in such high demand. By choosing a career in healthcare technology, you are not just choosing a job. You are choosing to be on the front lines of a revolution that is creating a healthier future for all of us. The opportunity to shape the future of medicine is here, and it is waiting for you.